Fix Microsoft Teams installation has failed error on your Windows 11 and 10. So if this happens, it's usually caused by leftover old Teams files, background processes, or corrupted installer data. So first, close the Teams app completely using your task manager. You can go ahead and press on CTRL, Shift, and then Escape to open it up. But of course, you could just search for it directly. And then just go ahead and press on M on your keyboard until you find Microsoft Teams or any kind of the similar, and then make sure you close those first. So if you go ahead and choose any and then press on M, it should just filter it out automatically. You could go to your Microsoft Teams and then just close the app. Other than that, you can go ahead into your settings, go to your apps, go to installed apps, and then just search for Microsoft Teams. Like so, Microsoft Teams, and then you make sure you uninstall your Microsoft Teams. And then after uninstalling it from your settings, you go ahead and navigate yourself to your keyboard, of course, and press on Windows, the Windows key, and then R. It should pop something like this. You can open up your local app data and then app data as well. So first we're going to do our app data, press on OK. It will lead you to your file manager. You're going to find Microsoft, this one, open that up, and then go to Teams. What you're going to do here is just get rid of this and then do the same thing for the local app data as well. Once that's all done, go ahead and restart your PC. Like so, restart your PC and then go to your preferred browser where you download the official Microsoft Teams from the, of course, official website as well. This solves most failed installation cases because it removes broken cached files that blocks reinstalling. So hopefully this procedure or option does help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.